All right, question one. Figure JKLM is similar to figure PQRS. Which proportion must be true for these figures? So we've looked at a lot of these, and we're looking at proportional sides. The thing they do here to confuse you is these are not facing the same direction, so they kind of flip these over a little bit. So I saw some of you do this, but the best thing to do is kind of draw these real quick, going maybe the same direction, so you can kind of match up your sides. So I'm going to do that real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and keep JKML the same. So this is a trapezoid. This left side here that I'm drawing is a little bit more of an angle than the right side. And then we have JKLM. So of course they do this to confuse you. Redraw it because that'll help you out. So when you draw the next one, you have to kind of pay attention because these sides are not at the same angle. So this side right here, S and P, we're going to kind of turn this. We're going to kind of rotate it around because that's the side that seems to have a little bit more of the angle to it. And it's hard to tell, but we're going to do that real quick. So if we redraw it this way, we have our more of an angle side. Come in this way. We draw our trapezoid kind of going together. So I do a decent job. It's all right. It'll work. When you turn it around, what does that look like? Well, this would be P. This would be Q because we kind of turned this, we rotated it. And then S and R, S will be here and R will be here, okay? And how does this help you? Well, I think it's going to help you match up the corresponding sides in a more accurate way. So look at your answer choices real quick. The first one, Q, R, and QP. So QR and QP, that's kind of like going along that side. And that side, it says those are congruent or equal to JK and LM. Well, not really, because then JK comes back this way and LM kind of comes up. So I'm going to knock those out there, but we wouldn't want to pick A in the first one. The next one, QR and KL. Okay, QR, again, is here. And KL, which matches up right there. Those kind of match, maybe. And then RS and JK. Well, R to S goes left to right here, but then JK goes on the long side going this direction. So those sides do not match up. They're not correspondent, so you're not going to pick that one either on B. We're down to two choices. We have QRMJ for choice C. So QR goes here, MJ goes there. I don't feel good about that one necessarily because they're not really following the same order, but I'll continue. Then PQ to LM. PQ is the long side. I just drew an orange line there. Well, LM is the short side. That doesn't match up at all. So the one that's really off is this one. So it's probably going to be D because that's the last one left. It says QR and KL. QR and KL. Yeah, those kind of match up right over there. And then PS and JM. PS goes from there to there. JM goes there to there. I like that. I like the order. Works out pretty well. So the best answer on one is D. The strategy here is to redraw because they're going to turn the shapes a different direction and then match up your sides that way.